Namaste, I'm JV Dr. Sapna Gehlot and my session is on the particular rights. Here we discuss about the particular rights and the protection of rights. Uh, Particular rights given by Lasky. Like every citizen should have the right to work. It means right to be occupied in producing a share of the goods and commodities that are essential for the community. Every citizen should have the right to adequate wages. It means that all those who work must be given sufficient wages to maintain themselves. Every citizen should have the right to reasonable hours of work. It means that he should be asked to put in that amount of work which does not exhaust him completely and thereby make him unfit to discharge his duty as an active member of the community. Every citizen should have the right to education. It means that he should be given that minimum of education which should be essential for the performance of his duties. Next, that every citizen should have the right to share in political power. It means that he should have the right to vote, to be elected, and also remove a corrupt government and run machinery of the state according to the provisions of the Constitution. Every citizen should have the right to form associations and organize public meetings and be provided with a judicial safeguard so that justice may be secured without fear or favor. Every citizen should have the right to property limited only to the extent that is necessary for the development of his personality and does not prove detrimental to the interest of the society. Every citizen should have a right to industrial self-government. It means that he has an industrial unit must somehow be given the power to participate in the making of those decisions which affect him as a producer if he is to be in a position to maximize his freedom. Every citizen should have the right to speech and expression. It means that he should have the right to vandalize his grievances यानी अपने दिल की बात कह सके बोले and organize public opinion in that matter. Every citizen should have the right to equality before law so that he may get justice without discrimination. It must not be harder upon the poor than upon the rich. So these are the क्या बोला है हमने इनको we call it as a particular rights by किसके द्वारा by from Lasky. Now we say protection of rights. These are the following measures may be suggested, like the rights of the people must be enshrined in the constitution of state so that they have the character of fundamental rights. By doing so that state accord them constitutional protection and empowers the courts to issue prerogative writs of their enforcement. Another safeguard in the rule of law is available in Britain. There is no written constitution in Britain and yet the people enjoy their rights. देखिए कितनी बड़ी बात है. It is due to the fact that this country is known for having, in the words of Dicey, the rule of law. It has two essential features. First, every citizen यानी क्योंकि ब्रिटेन में important thing there is a rule of law. Even इंडिया ने भी उसको follow किया. Every citizen is under the same law and the land irrespective of his social, economic or political status. Second, a person cannot be arrested without sufficient cause and he cannot be made to suffer in body or in goods unless declared guilty by a court of competent jurisdiction after a fair trial. It is also necessary that there should be a free and honest press in the country so that the people may have a straightforward dissemination of news and views. Then there should be a decentralization of powers. Concentration of the powers create conditions under which the rights of the people are in jeopardy, but decentralization of powers creates conditions that minimize the possibility of abuse of power. The existence of an independent and impartial judiciary is also necessary for the same purpose. If the people feel aggrieved by an action of the state or some other institution, they may move the courts for the protection of their rights. It is for this reason that in democratic countries, the courts are given special power of issuing prerogative writs for the enforcement of constitutional provisions. It is also next, it also suggested that state should not extend its area of activity into the legitimate domain of voluntary groups and association. And the most important of all, the fact of internal vigilance of the people, that is, if the people are apathetic or indolent, their rights can never be secure.